Hey divas, welcome back here. I'm back again with another face beat. So yeah, today's look is going to be navy blue smoky high tutorial, and I'll be using Take Me Back to Brazil palette, how the palette looks. And for my base, I'll be using eyebrow liner. So this is going to be my base. I'll just use this to apply that here. So I'm using this pencil brush to tap it, blend everything in. Taking this black matte eyeshadow, and I will apply it on top of the brown eyeliner that we applied in our base. Blending is the key here. You have to blend so that the two colors goes into each other. So here I'm applying navy blue eyeshadow on my lid, which is the actual shade that we are going for this tutorial. Take your time, apply, and you will see me blending the edges later. Blend to avoid any harsh line.
No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go. Till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways.
So guys, this is how this face is looking now. Slay, cute, beautiful. This is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.